Kisnt kn85 75% mechanical keyboard. This is what it looks like. Okay, going to open it now. The box open, and let's see here. This thing is nice already, as you can see. So first of all, we're going to look at the accessories before we get into the keyboard. First, we have your basic control manual, whatever you want to call it. Put that over here. Second, let's see what we have in here. Looks like we have some more switches. It's pretty cool. What else? We also have a keyboard. a key puller. And we have a USB-C charging or like connecting cable for your PC. So now we're gonna look at the keyboard. So once again, this is the Kisnt kn85, a 75% mechanical keyboard. This is gonna add to my gaming setup, and I would love to unbox it and show you guys this. So let's take it out of here. Off the bat, it's got some heft to it. It says nice. On the back, we have our USB-C chip. We have our cable, and stands. But yeah, it feels nice. It's a matte finish. Let's see. Yeah. So I've read some reviews that say that it sounds creamy, and today we are going to figure this out. In my opinion, it doesn't sound creamy. It sounds good. And I'll definitely be using this and for my keyboard when I game. But I hope you like this unboxing and review. What I think about this keyboard is it's really nice. And for about $40, you're getting your hands on some really nice stuff. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I'll see you in another video.